Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It has been so long since I last uploaded something for you guys and I'm excited to do today's review. So it's still makeup related but a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing the Online Makeup Academy. So just quickly telling you what the Online Academy is basically a school so you can learn how to do makeup, and it'll teach you all the basics. There's different courses, different programs for it, but the one I took is the Master Makeup Artist program. So before we get into detail about everything, I do have a discount code for you guys for $100 off your course if you are interested in taking the course. And I'm going to give you guys all the details down in the description box below and my thoughts and opinions why I really like the Online Makeup Academy in terms of like balancing life and the lesson plans and all that good stuff. So again, if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code. It's down in the description box below. Do go check it out. I'll put all the links and everything down there. But before we get started with the video and telling you guys my thoughts and opinions about it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle right here. And let's get started with the video. So anyways, like I said, I am going to be reviewing the Online Makeup Academy. So what the Online Academy is that they offer online curriculum for makeup artists. Whether you're just starting out or if you're a professional, if you just want to change like a course, if you just want to, or even if you want to continue learning. Again, they do have an online curriculum from New York professionals and they range from, you know, makeup artistry, special effects, hair, and they lay down the basic fundamentals all the way to advanced techniques. So when I first went to it, I was thinking, can I really learn enough just based on this online curriculum? I feel like for me, like I am so used to being in a physical classroom then doing something online that I'm kind of like second guessing it. But I gave it a shot and I'm glad that there is an online curriculum to learn about makeup or hair and so forth. I'll show what the online course looks like and all that, just kind of what the portal looks like. But basically, I was just kind of like a little iffy about it, but then I'm glad that I actually gave it a shot. So I actually wanted to learn more about makeup. I was thinking like maybe in the future I could be like a makeup artist or even just having this knowledge right now, and who knows, maybe down the road I'll end up doing that. But anywho, so I wanted to further my knowledge about makeup, how to prep, and just all of like the basics basically, right? And I did not have the time to actually go out to the school or wherever to do all this, because I don't know if you guys know, but I do have a full-time job. I have a part-time job. I do YouTube whenever I can. I'm trying to juggle gym, social life, spending time with Ryan and my family, and also planning the wedding right now. So this is a lot of juggling that I'm doing, and for me to kind of like wanting to go back to school and learning these basics and fundamentals was impossible. Like it helps that I work from home for my full-time job, but my part-time job I still have to drive to the location, right? But again, that's basically a full day gone because I start work at 8 in the morning and I don't finish till like sometimes 8:30, 9 o'clock. So that's a full day gone. I have no time. So the days that I do have time, I try to relax or I do YouTube. So it's very difficult to kind of balance that out and juggle it. And again, I also go to the gym as well when I can. So the fact that the Online Makeup Academy obviously offers online programs, what I really like about it is that I can finish this on my own time. There's no deadline for anything, which is absolutely amazing. Like this is so good for me because again, I juggle a lot. And you know what, if you are, let's say, a mother and you want to like get back in the game of doing like makeup, or if you're in full-time school, you kind of want to like learn this on the side, you can as well. And again, it's great that like you can do this at your own pace. And another thing that's great about this is that you have your tutor, you have your teachers kind of doing like a one-on-one with you as well if you need it. They are at your fingertips that you can, you know, ask them any questions, they'll get back to you. And the whole thing, it was just a amazing experience. Right now I only finished I'm in module 1, but it's like the introduction of module 1, and it's a long one. So again, I juggle so much with everything that like it's so great that I can actually finish this at my own pace. Mind you, I am nowhere 50% done because I'm juggling with a lot of things, especially with the wedding right now. But again, I like the fact that I can go with my own pace and, you know, take notes and all that. Like I can do it at my own time. And this is just a bonus, but once you complete your certification, you do get a certificate for it. But once you do complete it, you do get pro discounts. I know, right? Pro discounts. So you get up to 40% off discounts. This could be like from Makeup Forever, Anastasia, NYX. Like there's a whole bunch of brands that you can have access to discounts for. So I'm just like, yes, I would like to hone in on my skills and I could get discounts so I can like improve and practice. Why not? So again, with the certificate, you do get the discounts. You still get the support from all your teachers, your tutors, even post-graduating. And if you do want some extra help afterwards, they are readily available and they will apply to you via a video, and like it's a personal one too. It makes it like you have that one-on-one experience. So I'm going to show you guys the platform, and it's very simple to use, very user-friendly, and show you quickly what is included when you log into the website. So when you first log onto the website, this is what it looks like, and you can see that there are many different courses from master to advanced, professional, elite, and you will also see that there is a special effects course as well for those that aren't really interested in just makeup alone. So when you click log in, you will be guided to this page and you click my courses. Right here, as you guys can see, I have the Master Makeup Artist program, and right here you can see who my instructor is. On the left hand side, you can see your progress report. I'm only 22% complete because like I said, I live a busy life, and you guys can see that this is all the modules and the lessons for each one. These lessons can cover anywhere from the fundamentals, eye shapes, skin color, skin type. It helps cover all the basics for someone that's trying to get started into being a makeup artist. And again, what I love about this is that I can go at my own pace and not have to worry about a deadline. So I just clicked on a random course, and you guys can see there is the video tutorial and there is some information given underneath. And as you guys can see, this is the PDF form of the instructions and about the course that the instructor is talking about. You can take notes or even download the PDF for future reference, but I love the fact that everything is so accessible. So like I said, and I can't stress this enough and over and over again, I absolutely love the fact that I can access the courses and my classes anytime I want without having to feel the pressure of completing it by a certain deadline. Because again, I juggle a very busy life, from 2 jobs to family, doing the wedding as well. Like that's just a lot of work. Like thankfully when the wedding ends, I can have a bit more free time, but just everything all together and then wanting to go back to school, that's another thing on my plate. So it's quite busy. And again, it's the fact that like I don't have to worry about the pressure of completing my course, my lessons by a deadline. It's so refreshing. And what I really loved about this is that like when I was younger, I did not know any fundamentals at all. Absolutely none. So when I was younger and I would watch a YouTube tutorial, and on them I would see that, you know, it looks so bomb. And when I tried to recreate it on myself, it did not translate the same way, and I kind of felt a little defeated. I felt a little depressed, sad a little bit that it did not look as good as the makeup artist or whoever I'm watching copying the tutorial. So the fact that I learned and have the information that like, hey, you know, we all know we have different eye shapes, but where to place the eyeshadow, you know, the type of skin tone, where to place the highlight that fits your face shape to complement a lot better. It makes me feel a lot better knowing that the techniques and where the placement should be. Because when you see one video and you see one person doing it, you're thinking, you know what, they look so good, but when I try to do it, it doesn't look anything like that. Like myself, I don't really need to contour my jawline because it's very like prominent already. There's no point for me to do it. So if someone was to watch my tutorials and they're looking like, oh, you know, Nadia doesn't contour her jawline, I won't either. Like it may not look flattering on them compared to me, right? So this is what I mean. There are a lot of videos out there, but to find someone that has a similar face shape, eye shape, skin color as you, it's quite difficult, especially back in the day when YouTube first started. It was horrendous. But the point I'm trying to make is that I'm glad that I was able to have access to this information. I was able to learn different eye shapes, face shapes, all that stuff, and where the most flattering placement will be, right? So I'm glad that I did all that. I'm still learning, obviously. I'm only at 22%, but point is, it's good to know like the basics and the fundamentals, and I don't have to feel so discouraged about it. So anyways, you guys, I guess I made pretty clear that I really like the Online Makeup Academy. So if you guys are interested in any of their courses, do use my discount code down below. You do get $100 off your course. And $100 off your course, why not? Like you guys saw the prices on the website. They're pretty affordable for the course. And the fact that you can finish it whenever you can, amazing. So again, if you guys are interested, go check them out. Check out each course and see which one would fit you, which one you are most interested in, and go sign up because you get $100 off, so why not? So anyways, you guys, I am going to log off for the evening. I need to go to bed. I have work in the morning, and I have a bunch of centipedes I have to do. Like right now, it looks pretty clean-ish right now, but on this side of the wall, you guys do not want to see that. It is like a hurricane came in here with flowers. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget again to check out the Online Makeup Academy down in the description box below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.